at 11. Severe weather brings damage to communities across Ohio.
And all of a sudden I saw like a big cloud swirling and I'm like, that doesn't look right. We need to get downstairs.
Right here is probably one of the worst areas.
We are on the ground with a look at the damage after 2 tornadoes hit Northeast Ohio. We have team coverage tonight on severe weather damage, including 2 tornado touchdowns impacting many across northern Ohio. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Bryn Caswell in for Rob Powers. News 5's Joe Pakanakis is in Windham, where multiple trees are downed and homes are damaged. Chief Meteorologist Mark Johnson has been in the studio all evening tracking the storm system. But first, let's take a closer look at the damage coming in from across the state, sent in to us from viewers. This is video from inside a Family Dollar store in Bucyrus that had its roof partially torn off. You can see all of the items all over the floor there. And check out this video also from Bucyrus of a post office there, the severe wind causing damage inside. This video taken by Postmaster Stephen Nash, a good reminder why we should stay away from windows during severe weather. Chief Meteorologist Mark Johnson is back with me now. Mark, a lot of these storms intensified and spun up pretty quickly tonight.
Yeah, all the storms were spinning, but here's the good news, Bryn. No longer any severe weather warnings or watches across northern Ohio, but it was a really tense 4 or 5 hours across the News 5 viewing area with this major squall line of strong to severe storms moving west to east through the area. Now, most of the time during the early hours, it was the southern half of that squall line that was producing the severe weather, the tornado warnings, and the severe thunderstorm warnings. But after 6:30 p.m., we had a cluster of storms here just to the east of Cleveland and Akron, Solon to Twinsburg to Hudson, that began producing severe wind damage and eventually a tornado right there. So again, we had tornadoes reported in Windham and again in northern Trumbull County. We'll show you those. Here we go. This is our first tornado warning, first tornado warned storm in the Windham area right there. You can see the debris. There's debris. There's the couplet. That's the spin right there. So right over downtown Windham, storm tornado number 1. Tornado number 2 right here near Champion in northern Trumbull County. There's the couplet, there's the spin, and right underneath it you have the debris ball. So we had confirmation live on the air due to the debris signature here that we had 2 tornadoes on the ground. Now there could be others that are confirmed later on as the National Weather Service goes out and does their storm surveys. But again, quieter weather for the rest of the overnight, Bryn.
One of those tornadoes, as Mark mentioned, touching down in the community of Windham in Portage County. Families in the community now left with the damage to pick up. That is where we found News 5's Joe Pakanakis. Joe, what is the latest there?
Well, the Ohio Highway Patrol, Bryn, had its helicopter in the air for a number of hours using a big spotlight to try to track down the isolated damage. We're here on Windham Parkman Road. You can see all the heavy equipment after a number of homes were hit by this tornado. Again, fortunately, nobody injured out here, but I'll tell you, the high winds really slammed this village of about 1,600 people just after 8 o'clock. The damage to isolated homes on Windham Parkman Road in eastern Portage County was extensive. The Portage County Sheriff's Department confirmed it's a cleanup caused by a tornado touchdown right around 8 p.m. Wednesday night.
And all of a sudden I saw like a big cloud swirling and I'm like, that doesn't look right. We need to get downstairs.
Megan Strawler and her family told News 5 they barely had enough time to get into their basement as the funnel cloud moved in.
As soon as I got to the top of the steps to get downstairs, just heard a thud and then just silence.
The Portage County Sheriff's Department says the high winds and scattered damage caused downed power lines and extensive power outage hazards.
So what we're basically trying to say is if you're a resident, stay inside right now if you can. Don't get on the road and try to walk it or try to drive it because we do have a lot of wires down right now.
Emergency crews report so far the scattered damage has not produced any injuries, and deputies went house to house to make sure everyone was all right.
I'm glad that the lady that lives in the house that really got hit was not home at the time. So it's just kind of a godsend that nobody got hurt.
Police and fire crews have blocked off roads to the isolated damage sites. The Ohio Highway Patrol shut down the eastbound lanes of the Ohio Turnpike after high winds toppled 2 18-wheelers, causing a fuel spill.
I had a panic attack right afterwards, but other than that, I'm just grateful that everyone's okay. We're okay, our house is okay.
And so we've learned that they have opened up some of those eastbound lanes on the Ohio Turnpike. There could be delays tomorrow morning, though, if you're heading eastbound in this area near Bryant Road. Reporting here in eastern Portage County, I'm News 5 investigator Joe Paganakis. Back to you, Bryn.
Thank you, Joe. Glad to hear everyone's okay. As we collect damage reports of what happened this evening, please continue sending us what you're seeing if you can do so safely. You can email your pictures and videos to the address on your screen, newsdesk@wews.com.